Okay, we are back at the nature trail, and hopefully my camera will last. It's almost dead, but hey, we're gonna see what we can dish out of this.
Yes. We will see what we can get.
You know, after a while here, your stomach starts to hurt
Why?
because you've done so much walking.
Oh, well then we should do more so your stomach doesn't hurt. Your stomach shouldn't hurt.
Like there's like a pain
There
here.
shouldn't be pain. There should be, well, then we're going to have more gym, obviously.
Yeah, we don't do
In
enough.
the summer.
Okay. Okay, please no pets or bicycles on the nature trail. Fine.
Alright.
That would have been cool if you could have your bicycle on the nature trail, too. Like, we've got a nice yellow flower.
Yes, it's lovely. Lovely.
Like, lots of trees.
Yes.
Like this
Oh, do you smell that?
nature.
Nature, yeah. Maybe, probably that. I think that's a dogwood. Oh, and that's honeysuckle. That's probably what you smell.
Hey, what's that?
I
Tree over there? That, like, white-ish tree.
I love honeysuckle. What?
This.
That's well, no. Yeah, that's honeysuckle.
Oh.
No, but it's beautiful, but it attracts a lot of bees. So that's honeysuckle too. There's
Okay.
honeysuckle everywhere.
Yeah, yay.
And it's
Lots
a
of...
wild growing, plant. And it's beautiful, but it does attract bees because of the smell.
Well, yeah, it's because bees
So-
love their honey.
You guys should be careful in the backyard this summer because we have honeysuckle along the back fence.
Yay.
All right. Wow. Look, there's a white tree over there. That looks like a dogwood.
From what I'm seeing in the camera, the quality looks amazing.
Well, very good. Yes, it looks nice. Okay. Oh, look. That tree.
What tree?
The random honeysuckle?
No, it fell right there. Look, it broke right off.
This?
Oh.
Log?
No, this one right here.
The big one.
Take your eyes out of the phone. Look. Right there.
Oh.
Let's go.
Sorry, but the quality looks amazing here.
Okay.
Sorry if there's a lot of shaking. Going downhill makes you go really fast.
This creek, it's kind of empty though.
Yeah. I'm
Well,
surprised.
probably because of the storm, there's going to be all kinds of limbs and branches.
And I'm surprised that the lake is kind of empty because where are you going?
Veronica! What are you doing? What?
Oh, yeah. So amazing to go off the trail
Let's go.
to go have a nature of death. You could seriously die here.
Let's just walk the trail.
Yes, and not go off the beaten path.
Well, these things happen. That's what I say. Okay.
So, sorry about the shaking because, going.
Things are disturbing nature.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that tree just fell down.
Well, I don't know about that. They've been cutting it. I mean, you can see the straight cuts.
Oh,
So
yeah.
they're probably cutting it for firewood.
Or,
It